this video, we are unboxing the Notiq Rose Gold Rosebud Saffiano vegan leather planner cover and matching pen case. Subscribe to the planner channel to watch new planning videos every week. Last year, I got my very first Notiq planner cover and matching pen case, and I absolutely loved it, so I could not wait to get another new one for my 2023 planner setup. I chose this size because it fits the 9-disc planner, so it'll fit some of my Happy Planner Classic size planners, my Go Getter Girl 9-disc scallop planner, and also you can get directly from Notiq the matching planner inserts to go with your cover. So I love this size for the type of planner that I like to use. The inside has so many places for organizing cards, sticky notes, credit cards. It has a super cute scallop pocket in the back, 3 slots on the right cover, and also 3 slots on the left cover that you can slide in paper, your checkbook, planner goodies, paper, supplies, sticky notes, stickers, all of that can go right inside your planner cover. It also has a great pen loop and a pretty rose gold hardware snap. The texture is like a pattern texture. That's the Saffiano, and I had to have the matching pen case to go with it. I absolutely love these because they're the oversized size that will fit your large brush pens. It has this gorgeous rose gold hardware that matches on the pen case, and Notiq makes really great matching pen cases to all their different designs, so you can get the perfect one to match your planner cover. Let me show you how the cover looks with the planner inserts inside of it. This is the Notiq planner, and you can get some different options for that. This one has the pink paper, which is so cute, and as you can see, it fits perfectly in the planner cover. And then I also wanted to show you the Happy Planner Classic, which is almost the exact same size, and it also fits perfectly in this planner cover. So you can see some different planners in that 9-disc will fit perfectly in this cover, and there's plenty of space for extras inside of the cover, as you can see from the edge. Here is one of my Tombow dual brush pens, which is an oversized pen, and I wanted to show you how great it fits in these Notiq pen cases. It's like the perfect fit, so all of your pens in different sizes will fit in the case. And as you can see, the pen loop will hold the oversized pen like this, or you can grab a small sparkly pen as well, like this one from Villa Beautiful. Check out the description box to learn all about everything Notiq has to offer. Great products and a great community too.